Are you hoping to conceive a twins, triples, or more than that? So gather here, this video is for you. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you proven 10 scientific tips that can increase your chances of getting a twins, triples, and more than that. So before we jump into the video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. There is a one married woman from South Africa. She sent me a direct message via a WhatsApp and she said that, "Hey International Medical TV, please help me. I want to conceive a triplets." So if you are like her and you have an interest about conceiving a twins and triples, so this video is for you. So you have to stay and watch it up to the end. I'm sure after watching this video, if you try these tips that I'm going to be sharing in this video, I'm sure you will get an unbelievable result. Tips number one is have a family history of twins or triples. If you have a family history of twins and triples, so your chance of getting a twins and triples, it is very high, unlike those that don't have a family history of having a twins and triples. So if you want to conceive a twins, or if you want to be a twins or triples or more than that, I'm recommending you to marry someone that is having a family history of twins and triples or more than that, because doing this will boost your chance more than you think, and doing this can make you to get a unbelievable results. Tips number 2 is being an older age. Study shows that a woman that is 35 years to above has a higher chance of conceiving a twins, unlike those that are younger than her. The reason behind that is that they are producing a high follicle stimulating hormone than those that are younger than her. So if you want to conceive a twins, so if you want to be a twins, I'm recommending you to marry an old age woman who is above 35 years. Tips number 3 is consider taking a fertility drugs. There is a lot of fertility drugs that can help you to conceive a twins and triples. You know, this kind of drugs like a clonic will drastically boost your chance of getting a twins. So if you want to use this kind of drugs, so you have to consult your doctor. You want to go to pharmacy or chemist and buy a clonic without a doctor recommendation. Tips number 4 is eating a diet which is rich in yam and cassava. You know, eating a diet that is rich in yam and cassava will drastically boost your chances of getting a twins, because it contains an ingredient which is named a phytoestrogen, and this will boost your chances of getting a twins and triples. You know, that is what made Nigeria to be the #1 country that has a high population of a twins and triples in Yoruba ethnic, because they are taking a yam and cassava as their daily meals. So you too, if you want to conceive a twins and triples, so I'm recommending you to eat a yam and the cassava daily, because this it will boost your chance of getting a twins and triples more than you think. Tips number 5 is maintaining a healthy weight. Being overweight or being underweight, it will decrease your fertility. So maintaining a healthy weight, it can boost your chance of getting a twins and triples. Tips number 6 is having a sex at a right time. So if you want to conceive a twins and triples or more than that, so you have to do a sex during ovulation, because by that time there is a chance for the sperm to fertilize a multiple eggs, which can increase your chance of getting a twins and triples. Tips number 7 is reduce stress. You know, high level of stress, it can totally stop your fertility. So for you that want to conceive a triples and twins or more than that, so you have to do anything that can help you to reduce the stress by either relaxation or meditation or anything that can help you to lower the stress. And if you have tried anything but there is no any positive result in reducing your stress, so you have to go to the hospital and see a doctor for the effective management that can help you to lower your stress. Because if you are having a high level of stress, so there is no way for you to conceive even a single pregnancy. Tips number 8 is consider IVF. The IVF, it is time for in vitro fertilization, and during the in vitro fertilization, it allows a multiple eggs to implant it. You know, by this time, you have a chance to choose the number of the babies that you want during the in vitro fertilization. Also, the surprising fact about in vitro fertilization, you can artificially choose the gender of the babies that you want. But you know, the problem with the in vitro fertilization is that it will cost you thousands of dollars, especially in my country. Tips number 9 is keep tracking your menstrual cycle. So why tracking your menstrual cycle is so important? Don't forget that having a sex when you are ovulating, it will make a sperm to fertilize a multiple eggs, which can increase your chance of conceiving a twins and triplets. So you have to keep tracking your menstrual cycle if you want to get a twins and triplets, because this is one of the scientific tips that can help you to conceive a twins or triplets. The tips number 10 that can help you to conceive a twins or triplets or more than that is consult a doctor. So I'm recommending you to consult a specialized doctor that can help you about a proven tips that can help you to conceive a twins and triplets. Also, don't try one of these tips without consulting your doctor, because maybe they are not appropriate for you. If you found this video helpful and educative, please, I would like you to support us by subscribing, liking, and commenting. So if you have any question, you are free to drop it in the comment section. We'll do a video for you and answer your question. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.